Check. All right. Good evening, everybody. This is going to be a quick live update on the Arkansas severe weather situation. We got a couple areas to watch over the next little bit and a couple of areas of concern. I don't think severe weather is just going to be very widespread, but there are some areas that you need to pay attention to. Good evening. It's getting close to 8 o'clock, and we're going to look at a couple of things. One, the environment over western, southwestern, and central Arkansas, and then where storms are at right now and the areas that I really want you to pay attention to. So here's a map we were looking at earlier. I want to show you these green and yellow contours are instability levels. Hours ago, there wasn't much instability. You fast forward that to now, and the atmosphere from western into central Arkansas really recovered. These are dew points on here, and it's humid out there, especially from western into central and southern Arkansas. Those are, it's very humid, and it has become unstable, even with a start to the day that did not lead us to believe it was get very unstable. So right now, there's 2 tornado watches in effect, one out in western Arkansas and one down in south Arkansas. But even this gap in between, I want you all to pay attention. Here's what we're looking at right now. We've got storms that are moving into western Arkansas. A tornado-warned storm is getting very close to Scott County. And I think this storm is going to be moving off towards the northeast, and it's going to get into northwest Scott County. And if it holds together, eventually Logan County, unless it turns towards the right. Sometimes they do that. So Scott County, Logan County down the road, if this holds together, this will be one to watch. This one's out by itself, and it's been developing for a long time. There's also an area of storms, a big area of storms, down in northern Louisiana, and it has been racing northeast for quite some time, and this is going to be some damaging winds for sure. Magnolia, El Dorado, all those areas are included in this severe thunderstorm warning. There's even a tornado warning down in far south Arkansas, but this actually could get up into the Camden and Hampton areas, even as far east as Bradley County. So we're going to have to watch this as it moves off towards the east. I think it's got high wind potential and isolated tornado potential as well. And last but not least, there's a storm that has developed over Pike County. It's not severe, producing a lot of lightning right now, and I think we just need to keep our eye on as it moves off towards the northeast. Again, it's all by itself. I don't think it'll be that way forever, but it is moving off towards the northeast, and it does bear watching. Given the instability recovery today, there are some ingredients in place for some severe weather here. Short window over the next few hours, but I want you all to pay attention. Look at velocity here. It doesn't look like a tornado's down west of the state line there, but again, we'll keep an eye on that. Up here, down here in Lafayette County and Columbia County, there's high straight line damaging winds moving into that part of the state. So if you live in Magnolia, if you live in up into Camden, Hampton, El Dorado, Union County, even as far east as Bradley, Ashley, Drew, Deshay, I think this complex of storms will be together for a while. So we're going to watch that complex down in South Arkansas. We're also going to watch the storm moving into Clark County. We're also going to watch the storm that is over in Scott County that's moving towards the northeast. I think eventually these storms will run out of gas tonight and the severe threat will end, but at least for the next couple of hours, maybe 3 hours, 2 to 3 hours, we got to keep an eye on things as they evolve, and we certainly will. We've got storms increasing all over the state, west and southwest especially, so we'll be here. Remember, if a tornado warning goes into the Channel 7 viewing area, you can find us on TV over the air or katv.com/watch or with the KATV News app, and you don't have to panic if storms are headed your way. Just have your plan ready to go. We'll be talking you through whatever's going on right here. So hope you have a great Sunday night. Hope you